Chop it up, dice it fine. Got my peppers, beef and thyme. Potatoes soaking, feeling right. Tonight's the night, yeah, we're gonna dine. Throw it in the pot, let it heat up slow. Black pepper sprinkle, let the flavors grow. 15 minutes, let the magic show. Take it off, let it cool, now we're on a roll. Simmer down, let it stew. Let the flavors dance and brew. One more hour, maybe two. Good things come, I know it's true. Beef goes in, sizzle low. Dashi waves start to flow. Pour that stock, let it glow. A little patience, let it go. Add it back, bring the heat. Soy and sake make it sweet. 10 more minutes, we complete. Plate it up, it's time to eat. Simmer down, let it stew. Let the flavors dance and brew. One more hour, maybe two. Good things come, I know it's true. Ooh, take your time, let it blend. Every bite's a story's end. Close your eyes, taste the love. Simmer down, slow it up. Simmer down.